Joten migepe Musalia Mudavadi korone topo chenro makamaindi kao yango ni chenro no indo mano mar gachpolo biro konyo e yao chiro giko mago hala ma opogore e pacho ka indi kachel koda pinje mag Afrika mangima. Mudavadi benene owacho ni gach okolo korone tire koda thuolo no indo mano mar tingo osigo iko mago mathoth ko luore kata ka inyalo pim koda mago iko ma ichwalo koda chakla opogore ka itero e pinje maoko.
Your Excellency, President William Ruto, you are the champion of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area on behalf of the African Union. Both of you, Your Excellencies, have a very strong passion for integration, for bringing better coordination and trade and unity and communication within the African states. And therefore, our being here is a very strong and emphatic stamp of approval for the objectives, the ideals, and the goals that you stand for. On behalf of those who are here present and those who may not be here, we extend our highest level of appreciation to both of you for leading our two nations and leading the people of Africa in this very important infrastructure integration program. Kwa wananchi, tafakari kwamba hii reli itabeba 4,000 tons kwa wakati moja. Yani ni karibu lori za kontena ile 20 tani 20, lori 200 kwa safari moja. Massive haulage of cargo.